Hello everybody. I've got another little activity about shapes. This one is not about matching shapes, it's about sorting shapes. Sorting is really important to be able to sort things into their own families. And so I've painted two pieces of paper, and we always like to save paper. So I painted paper that was used on the one side. Okay, and we've painted these papers. It was lots of fun. I smeared the paint on with my fingers, and we just want to have a sort of a nice colorful thing. And now we are going to make some shapes that the kids can sort. So this part, the children can paint, but moms and dads will have to help with the cutting a little bit. Then we're going to fold our paper up, right, into a nice thin strip, all even. And I'm going to cut shapes out of this strip so that you've got a whole lot of shapes that are the same. Let's have a look here. First one, I'm going to cut an oval. So all of these ovals will be the same shape, but they will be different colors because of the painting. There we go. And then I'm going to cut a triangle. Right, and some of these we'll have to cut down the middle. Actually, we can leave them, that's okay. Big ones and little ones are fine. Now I'm going to cut a heart shape. I'm going to cut a heart shape by folding it again. I'm cutting out my heart shape. You fold it this way. That's it, a whole lot of little heart shapes. And next we're going to cut a diamond. So we're going to finish cutting the diamonds and the rectangles and some squares and then sort them all out. So we've cut out that first sheet, but I want a couple more shapes now. So now we're going to use the second sheet, and this time I have drawn some of the shapes on the outside because it's easier for me to cut that way. Right, so that's the beginning part, and my cameraman has sorted them all into the piles of their nice shapes. But now we have to do some shapes to put them on. So I'm using this Weet-Bix box because it's for recycling. Okay, and on it I've drawn some shapes, and we're going to do some awesome cutting. Watch this. Here is going to be a circle. There's our circle and a star. Here's a fat little star for us. And a square. Here's our square. And a heart. Here's our heart. And a spiral. Here's our spiral. But I'm going to draw a spiral shape onto it because we wanted to be able to hold our shapes nicely. So we don't want holes in it. There we go. And a diamond. Here's our diamond. And last thing is a triangle from this little square there. And here's our triangle. So now we can spread out our big shapes all over the table, and then we can mix up our little shapes into a lovely pile, and then after that you can do your sorting like a scientist. So we put all the hearts on the heart shape. Where are the heart shapes? Right, so now you've got to go through all the rest of your shapes and put them on the right ones. Let's see, this one is a spiral. It belongs over there. And this one is a rectangle, so it belongs there. And this one is a square. So you're going to carry on doing that with all of these until they're all done. well done, a great job of sorting. If you try this at home, let me know how you enjoy it. Bye.